Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. Do you know that there is a feature on TikTok that many persons are using to go viral with their videos? Well, I just want to show you these features and how to make good use of these features. So we are going to take it step by step. I want to show you how how to make good use of these features to go viral. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my page, follow this tutorial step by step. If you have any question or what you don't understand, don't fail to drop your question in the comment section of this video and then I will attend to it. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So now let's go to TikTok. Okay, so when you come to TikTok, you come to the search bar. You type on creator search inside. Tap on creator search inside, as in type creator search inside. Then you click on view. Remember, we've made use of this place before now. Now look at the last video I posted using this method. Look at what they are saying up here. You see what they are saying up here? Let me show you. Look at what they are saying up here. You see what TikTok is telling me? They say your inspired post got more views than 92.0% of your other posts. Post on topic below to boost engagement. That is what we are talking about. So if you use any of this topic that is under this creator search inside to post your video, it will boost your engagement. That is what TikTok is telling us. Now remember, all this topic you are seeing here is under suggested, all right? But we are not going to use these suggested topics, okay? The reason is because this topic already, there are a lot of videos on these topics, and other creators like you will also want to use these features. Now instead of us using any of this topic under suggested, we are going to use topic on content gap. Look at content gap up here. Look at content gap here. So we are going to use topic on content gap. So you tap on content gap. Now what this content gap is all about is that this topic you are seeing here, people are searching for topic that rhyme with what you are seeing here. People are searching for keyword that rhyme with what you are seeing under this content gap. But the truth is that the video that is created under these topics are not enough. That is to say, people are searching for topic that you are seeing under this content gap, but the video that is created under this is not enough. So the truth also remains that if we create a video under this topic that is under this content gap, our video is much more likely to be seen by a lot of persons. So we are going to use any under this content gap. Now we are talking about going viral. Let's see the topic that will rhyme with what we have in mind. Now look at this first one. This one that says, let me show you the one I'm talking about. This one that says, make me go viral. Make me viral TikTok. Okay. It rhymes. So let's check another one. Oh, sorry about that. And look at this one that says how to go viral and make money. You see this other one. Here's the one I'm talking about. How to go viral and make money. Okay. Now let's check for another one. How to grow viral on TikTok. How to grow viral on TikTok. Okay. And this other one says viral videos trending today. Short viral videos. Let's check. I'm looking for the one that is suitable. Okay, so now let's go on how to grow viral. No, let's go on this second one that says how to go viral and make money. Now don't tap on this video icon, because if you tap on this video icon, it means you want to upload your video or you want to make video on TikTok platform. Now we are not making video on TikTok. We are not making video, okay? So we want to extract some information to create our video before we come back here. So you tap on the topic. Let me show you the topic I'm talking about. Here is the topic excuse me. So you tap on this topic, right? Tap on it slowly. Now it has opened. How to go viral and make money. Look at the search popularity. 241,000 persons are searching for this content on this topic. 241,000 persons are searching for content on this topic. Now, if you look at down here, you're going to see the tips TikTok is giving to us as you are going to create this video, what they are expecting from us. Look at creator tips up here. All right, it says you should focus on quick, engaging content to capture attention. All right, now what I am really interested in is the suggested title and hashtags. Okay, so they are suggesting that our topic should be unlocking viral success and making money. That is the topic they are suggesting to us. Our topic for this video should be unlocking viral success and making money on TikTok. Now look at the hashtag they are encouraging us to use. How to go viral, viral tips, growth TikTok, make money online, content creation, creator tips. These are the hashtags they want us to use in order to go viral. So I am just going to go ahead to copy this. I'll copy this topic and the hashtag. All right, now why we are going to create video on this topic. The first thing we are going to do before we create the video, remember I have copied the topic and the hashtag. So that's not all. I will go ahead to create video, but before I create the video, this is what I'm going to do. Watch me closely. Now I will return to the search bar and type how to go viral. Good. And let's go on the first one, how to go viral on TikTok in 2025. I tap on it. Now look at videos that is popping up that creator have created regarding going viral in 2025. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch 5 of these videos and I will engage in them. Then after engaging in all these 5 videos, I will go ahead to create my own video. Alright? Sharing the same information these creators are also sharing.
We're all going to go viral together. You've been seeing this all over your
For you
page because it actually works. But you can't.
So I'm pausing the video. So what I'm going to do is to watch 5 of these videos, engage from bottom to the top, starting from the sharing, as in the link sharing button. I save it, I comment, I like. If I want to follow any creator, I can follow. Now after doing this to 5 successive videos, I will now go ahead to create my own video using the same information this creator have also shared. I will use the same information to create my own video. And then after creating the video, I will come back again to TikTok. Okay, I'll come back to TikTok. Now when I come back to TikTok, I will go again. I will go back to, I will explain the reason why I'm following this step. I'll go back to creator search inside. Then I will come to view. Remember, this was the first step we followed. Then I will search for the topic that I wanted to use to create the video. And the topic was going viral and making money. Let's see. Okay, it was under content gap. Alright, here's content gap. Let's check for the topic. How to make your account viral. How to go viral and make money. This is the topic. Now after I have created video on this topic, I will now come back to TikTok, to this particular place, and then tap on this video icon. We'll tap on this video icon. It will open like this. Now what I will do is to upload my video from here. Okay, and when I upload the video, I will make use of this. Let's say for example, this is a video I want to upload. Okay, I click next. Now when it opens like this, you can choose a trending sound, and after choosing, you tap on that place to choose a trending song. Now what you want to do is, when it opens like what you want to do is tap on this volume. Down here you see volume. Tap on the volume. Then reduce this sound, I mean the sound of the music, and then increase your voice. Increase the first original sound, just increase it to the end, so that what you are saying on the video will be louder than the music. The music will be playing on the background of what you are saying. But if you allow it to be the way it was, the music will be louder than your voice and people will not hear what you are saying. Okay? We actually want people to hear what we are saying, and the music will be playing at the background at a very low volume. Okay, so you adjust that. Then after that, you go ahead to use this icon where you are seeing AA. Now what you are going to write here is the same as the topic that TikTok suggested to us. It was how to go viral and make money. How to go viral. So this was the topic that TikTok suggested to us. You can decide to change this using this. If you prefer like this, you can use it, or if you prefer like this, just adjust it the way you want. You can adjust the color here. Adjust the color here. Choose any color you want. Okay, this is my favorite color. You can use it. Now to position it so that it will not cover your face, you point at this down and then drag it up, or you place it down. Any way you want to place it, do it. After that, you go on next. Then here is where you are going to type in all those hashtags you've copied. Make sure that the hashtag that is here is 5. At most it should be 5. So before the fact that we created this video under creator search inside, you can then paste the other hashtag you've copied and then remove one from there to make it 5. Right? Then don't forget to go down here to select under more option. Don't forget to go down to select. Make sure that your video is high quality. Just check for that. Under more option. I'm not seeing that feature. There's a feature that says allow video to be operating high quality. Okay, you select that. You have not seen it. So after selecting all of this, you can also add your location. Preferably you can add USA, but if your content you've been creating, you've not been using that location, it will be better you allow it to be the way it used to be. Right? After that, you now post. I believe some of us are familiar with all this process. Okay, so we are not going to dwell on that. Now, after you must have done all this, you can now upload your video. Again, after uploading your video, make sure that you go back to how to go viral. I'm not going to upload this, but it's not what I wanted to upload. So after you successfully upload your video, make sure that you go back to how to go viral on TikTok in 2025. Check for other 5 videos you've not watched. Watch other 5 videos. Engage in them from bottom to the top. After engaging in all of them, you will see that all those your engagement, in addition to the previous one you have engaged before now, people that will see your comment and many others that will see your engagement will want to come back to your account. This is another secret way of going viral on TikTok. Your engagement matters a lot, and also creating video under content gap. It is very, very important because there is no much videos under this topic that is under content gap. So this is one of the tricks that we can use to go viral on TikTok. Work on this. If you have any question or something that you don't understand, maybe in the process of creating the video there are issues, or maybe you are stuck somewhere, drop the comment or your question. Drop your question under this video, and then I will attend to it. Please, if you are learning anything from this video, make sure that you follow my account, subscribe to my channel, and like my page. Like this video and also share it to your friends. Let's work together and make money together on TikTok. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you in the next video.